Lamb Shank Rice to the best. And we'll cover it. Looking beautiful. And just land it right here. This is 2.5 pounds of lamb shank. I have 2 cups of basmati sela rice. First thing first, we will soak these rice. This recipe will take around an hour and a half to 2 hours. So just have enough water in your rice so they are soaking in water. You will need a pressure cooker for this recipe. I would suggest cook these beautiful lamb shanks in your pressure cooker. So we'll build a broth kind of taste right now in our pressure cooker. The main ingredient for that is clarified butter. This is the first thing we will add in our pressure cooker. So we will add at least 4 to 5 whole tablespoons of this is clarified butter, and it goes in here. Okay, look at this beauty. Huge tablespoons of clarified butter. Okay, we will need 2 medium-sized yellow onions. We will slice them. Onions are sliced. Just add this straight in the ghee. So at this point we will make sure our onions are brown. Meantime, we will prepare the dry spices. So this is the dry spice blender. Here is our beautiful, most famous tablespoon ever. We will take 2 whole tablespoons of cumin or cumin. No, call it cumin. Coriander, 1 whole tablespoon. At least half tablespoon of whole black pepper, half tablespoon of clove. They go in here. 1 big chunk of cinnamon, approximately about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. This is how it's gonna look. Make this a powder. This is how it's looking. It's completely dry powdered. Alright, as you can see, our onions are brown to lightish brown in color. Now it's the time we will add all our seasoning, which we made from the scratch right here. These are at least handful of fresh garlic. These are frozen, that's why they look transparent at this point. So handful of garlic, they go in here. Just give couple minutes, stir fry the seasonings with the onion and the garlic. 1 whole big spoon of regular salt. Here you go. Later on you can add the salt, but for now just 1 whole tablespoon goes in here. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. We have roasted our dry seasoning, onions, garlic, and all of them are in clarified butter. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's grab the meat. Beautiful lamb shank, looking beautiful, and just land it right here. Another one, just like that. And the third one, I hope it will not fit, but just add it here. Okay, we will take water. 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 and 5. 5 cups of water. Look at this bone marrow right there. And all this aroma. Wow. We will cover this with the lid on top. It's on the high flame. We will cook our lamb shank in the pressure cooker, and at least for 50 minutes on high flame. Okay, I will see you after 50 minutes. This is after 50 minutes of pressure cooker. Oh my goodness, look at this lamb shank. Let me show you, let me try to show you. Oh my goodness, looking beautiful. It's hot. Ooh, let me put this right on the side. So our broth and the lamb shank is ready. The rice, so I'm using regular pan. These are our soaked rice. They all go in here. Make a bottom there. That's what it is. We will grab couple of the coals. You'll put it on the stove so they get light up. Taste test your broth. You might need to add, you will need 1 more tablespoon or half tablespoon of salt. Goes in here, just mix it up. So here it is, the broth goes in here. That's perfect for now. We'll give it a mix. So they are in our lamb broth. The stove should be on the high flame at this point. We'll grab the lamb shank and just put it right here on top of it. It's hot, that's why I'm using this one. So 3 beautiful lamb shanks are in here on top of the rice. It's on the high flame. You leave it on the high, cook it like this until you see the rice. Live coal in here. We'll put some oil on top and we'll cover it. So this will smoke our beautiful lamb shank rice. Let's remove this coal out of here. Our lamb shank rice are smoky. Put it on medium, cover it with the lid. Make sure it's airtight too, on a medium flame. Leave it for at least 20 minutes and I'll see you after 20 minutes. Delicious smoky lamb shank rice. This is the moment of truth. These are completely ready. It's been 30 minutes onto medium to simmering pot, and this is how our, oh, it's hot. This is how it's gonna look. Wow. Okay, we'll turn off the stove and time to dish out this beauty. Here you go. Clarified butter lamb shank rice. Let's add the rice first at the bed. It has the smoky flavor and smoky aroma right there. Look at this, the lamb shank. And just by the touch, it's hot. Just by the touch you can separate the meat. Just like that. Wow, man. Here you go, the first, the second. My God. It's ready, my friend. Dive in, you will love it. Meat is just, you touch it, bro, it's gonna separate itself. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm always here with delicious recipes for you guys. Enjoy this, make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Enjoy this, seriously, enjoy this.